everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for October 2021. Be sure to check below for info and links on one-on-one healings, mentoring, downloadable workshops and masterclasses, and wearable healing tools. So, on to business here. Have you ever wondered why you're here? What are you supposed to be doing with your life? What is the point of it all? Well, this month we'll tackle finding your life's purpose. And the single ability or attribute that I've found to help you answer that question is trusting in your own intuition. Not trusting that little voice inside is the one thing that keeps us from reaching our full potential, achieving our goals, and making our dreams come true. That little voice is your main instruction manual for navigating through this life. That little voice is you, the spirit, directing you, the body, through this life, based on you, the spirit's plan for this life. So for this month's code, we'll be requesting assistance in clearly hearing that little voice and trusting ourselves to know we're hearing our own higher self's instructions, and being brave enough to take action, even when it seems we're being led to a place that we could not have believed. So here's the request. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will release the blocks to our inner voice, rewire us to clearly receive the messages we're being sent from our higher self, and replenish us with the bravery to trust what we're hearing is true for us, and act upon those life-guiding instructions even when it seems intellectually confusing. And the code that emerged is from the Anahata Codes. It is Magnesium. I have to tell you, I am always amazed at how the codes that come up are so spot on. And here is yet another example. Let's see. I'm just going to read you an excerpt from healingwithcrystals.net.au's website on magnesium. Okay, so here we go. Magnesium has a calming effect on the nervous system. Well, yeah, which is great when you want to tap into your own inner voice, duh. Magnesium in an elixir form has a strong focus on detoxification. Well, hello, physical detox and energetic block breaking, yay! In crystal form, magnesium, or magnesite, as the crystal is known, brings in deep peace when you meditate and perform relaxation exercises. If placed on the third eye chakra, this stone will aid visualization and imagery. And really, isn't the third eye one of our key information gathering and interpreting locations? Yes. It opens the heart chakra and stimulates heartfelt love, including love for yourself. And that is a biggie. Love for yourself is what stops a lot of us from following through with the intuitions that we receive. Magnesite is a perfect stone to relax your mind and release the tension of negative thought forms or mental energy. Magnesite expands your intuition, here we go, during channeling or other psychic practices to allow information to flow easily through your consciousness. This white stone allows you to integrate or translate the messages from ascended masters, spirit guides, loved ones on the other side, and yourself. With this stone, you will be able to open and enhance your intuitive perceptions, creative imagination, and visualization abilities. What better way to find your life's purpose than to enhance your intuitive perceptions, creative imagination, and visualization abilities. Oh my God, this is so perfect. So, are you ready? Let's install the code for magnesium. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is ground, if you know how to ground. And if you don't know how to ground, you can put your attention on the base of your spine, down the end of your tailbone, and wrap a wire, cord, cable, rope around that tailbone and drop it all the way to the center of the earth and plug it in securely. This is the way we're going to release energy. And then back at the base of your spine, I'd like you to create a switch at that connection point that says release, and set that switch to the on position. And then put the command, the intention, into that switch and that grounding cord, that together they are going to release from your space anything that is not yours or no longer serves you. Any energy that is not yours or no longer serves you. You're giving it permission to take that energy out of your space and give it to the center of the planet. And then what the center of the earth does is it cleans up that energy and recycles it. And then come on up to the center of your head. That's behind your eyes and between your ears. This is our control central. This is where we do our work from. This is a place of neutrality, which means that when energy is leaving your space, or when you're noticing energy flowing around your space, you will not become stuck in it. Instead, the energy can just flow right through and right out. So we get in the center of our head and we can release stuff and bring ourselves into present time just by releasing everything that's not ours or no longer serves us. So center of head. And then breathe. And now right-handers, left-handers, we take on a physical position to help with the installations. It lets our body get involved in what's going on. Okay, so right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra, center of your chest, left hand in the air like an antenna. That's where the code's going to come in. Left-handers, switch it. Left hand is your dominant hand. That goes in the center of your chest, over your heart chakra. Right hand goes in the air like an antenna. That's where the signal's going to come in. The code is going to come in. So go ahead and assume the position, right-handers, left-handers. And as I read off the code, I'm going to read it multiple times. And I want you to picture that string of numbers coming from source energy. Well, where the hell is source? Well, it's wherever you picture it to be. It's your intention. Okay, you're in charge here. You're the one doing the work, and you're the one making the intention, and you're the one making the changes in energy. So wherever you see source coming from, picture that string of numbers coming into your antenna hand, down your arm across your shoulders, down your other arm, and going into your heart chakra in the center of your chest. From there, it spreads out through your entire physical body, on an energy level, of course. And then it's going to permeate out into the layers of your aura, that electromagnetic field that we have around us. Okay? And that code is going to swirl around, swirl around, swirl around, and look for your version of the code, because we all have these codes in us already. We all have the same bucket of codes. We're just using different varieties of them. You know, it's like when you go into a kitchen and you've got everything set up for baking something and you put 6 different chefs in there and say, use this stuff to bake something, you're going to get 6 different recipes, 6 different things that they make. And that's the way the codes are in us. If you're a dancer, you're going to have different codes turned on than if you're a writer, or if you're a singer, or if you're a luge specialist. Okay? So we want the codes to come up and be brought into balance for us. So that's the intention. When the code comes into our space, we allow it to flow through our bodies, flow through our aura, and we just tell it, bring me into balance. Bring this code into balance for me. Okay? So let's go ahead and ask for that code to come in. And breathe. We ask for, accept, and align with this Anahata code. It's with gratitude we accept the assisting frequency for magnesium. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. 79428 3718 9041. And close up the installation by putting both hands on the heart chakra. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Wow. Well, that was pretty good. So to better understand what's going on with these codes, I encourage you to watch my presentation, How the Codes Work, right here on YouTube. And please subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my YourEnergyRx.com Code Carriers Facebook group for even more codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's code. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.